We all like that feeling of seeing extra money pouring into our bank accounts, don't we? Hi, I'm Sushant. I turned that dream into my reality. I said bye to the 9 to 5 and hello to financial freedom. How? By mastering the art of passive income and smart investing. Today, I'm excited to share 9 passive income ideas which can earn for you when you are asleep. These are not get-rich-quick gimmicks. These are real, scalable, and proven methods which either I have used it myself or I have researched deeply. So if you're ready to start building wealth on autopilot, stick around and let's go. Number 1, vending machines, the silent money makers. Have you ever wondered who actually owns these vending machines? Turns out they are cash machines in disguise. A single machine in the right spot can bring in around $500 to $1,000 per month. They require minimal effort. You just have to restock the drinks or snacks once or twice a week. Vending machines in the airport can generate $300 to $500 per week. At the movie theaters and hospitals can generate $200 to $300 per week. At the gyms and fitness center can generate $150 to $250 per week. The key to success is strategic placement of machines. High demand products like the soft drinks have a markup of up to 200%, making them the most profitable items to stock. With low overhead cost and minimal hands-on effort, vending machines are a solid choice to make some serious passive income. Look at this 28-year-old Quinn Miller. He brings in $30,000 each month by just working 6 hours a week on his vending machine business. If you want to know more about profitability of vending machines, you can click on the link in the description below. Number 2 is Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. It is selling books on Amazon without writing it, and I will show you how to automate it with minimal efforts. Word search book is the hottest category in KDP. You can generate this entire book using AI or ChatGPT. Here is an example of the book I generated. This is how the format looks, and it also gives you the words you need to look for in the puzzle. The second type of books you can generate in KDP is Sudoku books. Again, I was able to create an entire Sudoku book using AI, and you can tell the AI what kind of difficulty level you want for your puzzles. And the third type of book is lined notebook. You can use AI to design a basic front and back cover of a lined book and upload it on Amazon, and boom, you start making passive income every time it sells. No inventory, no shipping, no printing hassles. Amazon handles everything. Your job? Just to find an underserved niche, put your books out there, and let the royalties roll in. Number 3, REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust. Traditionally, when you think about a passive income, we have always thought about rental property. Rental income has been there for hundreds of years now, but it has a major downside. It definitely requires a large amount of cash upfront and brings tenants and maintenance hassles. But there is a better alternative. REITs. Think of a REIT as a landlord who owns warehouses, apartment complexes, skyscrapers, single-family homes, and shopping malls. They rent out these properties, manage the business, and when they collect rent, they share a portion with you. Why? Because you are investing in all these real estate through that guy called REIT. Thousands of investors pool their money into REITs, and the rental income, also called as dividends, is distributed among them. REITs trade on the stock market just like any index fund or mutual fund. Usually the return on investment on REITs is relatively lower than the equity market, but they provide higher dividends. Number 4, advertising on cars. Do you want to get paid just for driving your own car? I'm not talking about taxi or Uber. Companies pay car owners to place ads on their vehicles. It is a passive income with zero efforts. Just drive your car as you normally would and let your car make money for you. Rapify is one of the leading platforms for car advertising in the US. The company connects business with everyday drivers who are willing to wrap their vehicle in advertisement. As per Carvertise, the average payout is in between $100 to $400, but you can earn up to $1,000 using this method. Number 5, dividend paying stocks. This is like getting paid just for owning the stocks. Companies like Coke, Microsoft, Home Depot reward their shareholders with cash just to hold the stock. If you have had $100 worth of stock of Verizon, it would have paid you $6.96 just to hold the stock. And if you don't withdraw those dividends and reinvest it, your money grows like crazy. You have to think long term and let this stock pay you for life. Number 6 is high yield savings accounts. Every dollar sitting in your bank account is losing value to inflation. But here is the fix, a high yield savings account. Right now, these online banks are offering 4 to 5% interest rate. because they don't have the overhead cost of the traditional banks, meaning they can pass these savings to you. If you park $10,000 in these banks, you can get up to $400 to $500 without doing anything. That's the free money your traditional bank will never give you. Traditional bank these days are giving 0.1, 0.2% interest rate. So tell me, why are you letting your money shrink instead of growing? And again, none of this is financial advice. This is just for education purpose only. As per Jan 2025 data, these are some of the top high yield saving accounts. Axis Bank, they are offering APY of 4.86%. There is no minimum balance requirement and there is no minimum deposit to open. Number 2 is Open Bank. It is offering 4.75% APY. Yes, there is a minimum balance of $500. That means you will have to maintain that much balance when you open the account, and you have to deposit minimum of $500. The third one is Everbank. It is again offering 4.75. There is no minimum balance requirement and there is no minimum deposit requirement. These banks are definitely better than our traditional savings account, and these are FDIC insured. They cover up to $250,000 if something happens to the account. Most people have an extra room sitting empty. Maybe it's a guest room that gets barely used, or just a space collecting dust. But what if that room can bring in thousands of dollars each year? I'm talking about Airbnb. I have seen people take a spare bedroom and transform it into a steady source of passive income without ever buying a new property. Some hosts make enough money to cover their mortgage, some use it for vacation, and some to generate serious wealth. And the best part, this income is way easier to start than most people realize. Here is where it gets interesting. You don't need to be a real estate investor to pull this off. By optimizing your listing with professional photos, smart pricing, and top-tier guest experience, you can attract more bookings and charge higher rates. Some hosts automate cleaning and guest communication, making Airbnb as close to passive income as possible. And in high-demand cities, a single spare bedroom can generate hundreds to thousands of dollars per month. And with the right approach, it can become a consistent and scalable source of income that works for you. Number 8 is TikTok Shop. Most people spend hours scrolling through TikTok. But what if I told you that you can generate thousands of dollars each month using the same app? With the introduction of TikTok Shop, creators are transforming their content into a steady stream of income. In fact, TikTok Shop now claims 68.1% of all social shopping revenue, surpassing platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Some creators have reported earnings of $2,000 in 7 days just by promoting product through the platform. The best part, you don't need a massive following to get started. By leveraging TikTok's algorithm, even new creators can reach vast audience. Top earning affiliates have generated over $20,000 each after switching to TikTok's online experience platform. Number 9 is dividend paying mutual fund. So if you feel like stocks are really risky, mutual fund is the way to go. And if you are going for mutual fund and if you want to generate some passive income, you can invest in these dividend paying mutual funds. Just like stocks, you can hold mutual fund and get paid just to holding the mutual funds. This is the list of top 3 mutual funds with high dividends. I hope you like this video, and I wish you good luck earning a lot of passive income using these strategies. Your fired friend Sushant, signing off.